Hey everybody, how you doing? Welcome back to Disturbing Creations, and today I got a special treat for you. So here's the trunk. It looks beautiful. It looks beautiful. So this is carbon fiber wrap. This is made by 3M. It's 2080. And it has like a texture feel to it. I really like this, that's why I picked it. I don't like the gloss wrap that a lot of people are doing. And I did this little piece right here. So the first thing I'm doing right here is I'm mocking it up. I had to cut it off the roll. I'm gonna flip the camera around so you guys can actually see what I'm doing. And what I did today was I took the 3M 280, this nice carbon gloss, and I cut a piece off to fit around the bumper. So I got these magnets where I can feel to where the bumper is, or to where the trunk. So you see where the trunk is here. So I don't just go right there, but I go a couple of inches over where the trunk stops, and I'll put this on the opposite piece. That way when I cut, I know, you know, I have to, if I cut over here, I'm cutting farther because you have to be able to stretch this and pull it. If I pull it from that section and it takes it this way, you don't want to cut right on the line because you might not have enough. Set it and then cut it. A little tip for you. So this is my crease line here. Then I was finding out, you know, where it is, and I pulled it over and I kind of dipped it in. So I can see about what it's gonna look like. All this on the bottom is gonna be titanium blue. So watch my first video on how to get your trunk apart so that you can get this ready for the wrap. You gotta take the lights and everything out. As you can see underneath here, I have everything ready, taken out, ready to go. So tomorrow morning, all we're gonna do is we're gonna to wash this back of the car really well. My friend Allison, who's been doing car wraps, made a solution for me out of some isopropyl alcohol and water. So once I clean it down real good, that'll get all the fingerprints off. And I'm going to lay this probably flat on the top and bring the paper down to the body crease here. Get all of it flattened out on the top because that's the easiest because it's flat. And then I'll pull the paper down to do this bottom section and start tucking it in and cutting it where all the lights are. So this is carbon fiber wrap. I'm gonna do the trunk carbon. I'm gonna do the front hood carbon as well, which is a little more difficult. And then we're gonna do the rest of the whole car titanium. So tomorrow morning, we're getting it in. All right. So as you can see, here's the trunk all done and finished. It looks great, and we've actually finished the car. I couldn't find the footage of me finishing off any portion, and Allison helping me, but this is the trunk all done. As you can see, it's the carbon wrap. I did the water technique. I kind of like the water technique. I feel like it lessens the scratching, especially on this texture. So if you want to see more stuff like this, I'm going to start showing the entire car being wrapped. This is the first car we wrapped in our shop on video. I think we're going to do the Porsche next. So hit that like, subscribe, and learn how to wrap your car. All right, Disturbing Creations, and we'll give us a like, subscribe, follow us on our journey. We are out.